everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS. Pretty car, guys. You can see it's finished in Tuxedo black. It's got the pearl white striping, factory black vinyl interior. Really cool car, man. Fun, fast car. Bought this from a good guy out of South Carolina. History behind the car: he bought the car restored. The car was originally restored in 2011. It's up to about 5,000 miles, he said, on the restoration. And then in 2021, he started going through the drivetrain. It's got a brand new blueprint engines, 396 cubic inch small block with 520 horse, Tremec 5-speed manual transmission, Currie aftermarket 9-inch rear end. It's got some Detroit speed suspension components. Fun car, guys. You can see I put the new wheels and tires on it. It's got brand new 17 and 18 inch American Racing Torque Thrust 2s on it, with Nitto ZR rated rubber all the way around it. 255s on the rear, so it's got a little bit more rubber on the road to hold the car down. Cowl hood, front and rear spoilers. If you're gonna pick anything, car was painted in 2011, so there's some little things you can kind of nitpick in the paint. But again, there's only 5,000 miles total on the car. There's about 1,000 miles on it since he said he got it done. Cool car, very cool car. But like I say, as you walk around, you can kind of pick a few things in it, but still very, very nice. I mean, that's what he said. He took it to car shows and had no problem showing the car. Again, it's got the front spoiler on it. Chrome and stainless is nice on the car. Again, slick paint. I don't want you to think that it's bad paint, but it's definitely old. I wish we had some sunshine, because it's got some pearl on that paint, which is pretty. Or pearl on the stripes. Stock glass. You can see a couple little scratches in it. This is the worst blemish I can tell you on the car right there. Bunch of new stuff come in, guys. Make sure you're keeping track of us. Buying cars like crazy when I can find them, and we got some good looking stuff coming. Again, nice and straight down the sides. Brand new wheels, brand new tires. Car sits good. Paint's nice and flat. You can see it's got 4-wheel Wilwood disc brakes on it with slotted and drilled rotors. And it's got the bigger brake kit on it. Again, fresh 396 cubic inch blueprint engines. That's a small block, not a big block. Aluminum heads, roller camshaft, roller rockers. It's got forged pistons and crank in it. Holley dual feed 4-barrel. You can see it's got a Weiand Street intake. All serpentine pulley system. That's a really cool system he's got on there. Vintage AC, power steering, powerful disc brakes, headers, aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. Again, it's got a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission with a McCleod hydraulic clutch in it. You can see it's got a big Detroit speed sway bar on it. It's got Detroit speed shocks. I'm sorry, Koni shocks. Detroit speed Koni shocks and Detroit speed springs. Good looking car. I did put new door pads on it. You see the door skins are nice and clean. The door pads are brand new. Bucket seats, center console. It's got a cool, you can see a little wear here in your driver's seat. Tilt column, billet wheel. It's got the 3-point harnesses in it as well. Headliner looks good. Again, chrome tilt column with a billet wheel. It's got the Dakota VHX gauge cluster in it, Pioneer Bluetooth system. He's got instructions in this for all that, your switches, your radiator, your electric fans, this is for the dash, and of course that's for the dash as well. Hurst shifter, Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's got an aftermarket Currie 9-inch Ford with a 411 Trutrac posi in it. Again, all the paperwork, getting you all the manuals and everything. You also did a little write-up for me on the car. It's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. Good car. Very cool underneath. I like the contrast with the red. I thought that was cool. It does have frame ties. Again, car's fast. It rocks, guys. If you're looking for something stock, this is not the car for you. Again, you can pick the interior a little bit with its the carpet. The carpet's probably original. It shows a little bit of age to it. That should come off. I don't know what that is, guys. Dash is good. Like I say, they put the different gauge cluster in it. Console, you know, it could probably be detailed a little better too. But really good car. Good, tight car. Dual chrome mirrors. It's got to be in neutral to start it too, guys. It's got a little bit of a heaviness here too. Air works, it blows cold. Sounds like a little header leak on this side. Like the collector gasket. It sounds low, so give it a little rev. It's working. It's all working. 5277 on your odometer. All the gauges and everything are working. Hold good oil pressure, 60 pounds of oil pressure. Parking brake does work. It's a Wilwood parking brake. You see that? That is just a hair. I think I said it's got to be in neutral to backup lights. It's got to be in neutral. It's got the newer Tremec in it. Radio works, blower motor works. Doors open and close good. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of my inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys.